Here we are in Lockhart at the Texas Monthly BBQ Fest. Excited for this. We're going to take you around, show you some of the cool stuff that we see. Had a great time here in Austin. We did the Texas Monthly BBQ Fest. So it's sponsored by Texas Monthly magazine. Here we are making way through the crowd at the Texas BBQ Fest. A lot of fun, beautiful day. It looked like it was going to rain earlier today, but it didn't, so that's good. We got a live music stage over here. Lots of different samples, all the way from some great drinks to beef cheeks, tacos, brisket. Some pig candy was great. Just lots of awesome stuff. We had some great food. Some of the samples were really good. There was the Brisket University, which is a in-person, teach you how to make some better food and better barbecue. They did a great little sample platter that had turkey on it, had brisket on it, a little bit of veggies, some pimento cheese with some crackers. That was really good. Long line for that, but definitely worth it. And Nomad Grills was there also, and they've got a cool little grill. It's portable. They have their own special kind of charcoal that they use for it. Gets really hot, and they had some ribeyes on there that were just wonderful. They were serving up some samples of those. And then over at, I think it was called Mill Spec. That's an Austin-based company that makes smokers. They were cooking up some tri-tip. That was really terrific also. And that had a nice little sauce to it. Another thing was some beef cheeks. Now this guy was, I think his name was Nick Torres, and he won a barbecue competition with his beef cheek recipe and chopped it up and just provided it with some little bits of tortilla. That was really wonderful also. So all in all, that was just a great time. It was fun to look at different products that were out there and try some different foods that people cooked up and just hang out in the barbecue culture with some great music right there in Lockhart. In Texas, you can get lots of good stuff. You can even get gelato with brisket on it. Here we are at the Texas BBQ Fest in Lockhart. This is kind of the merch area. Some samples, fun things. Spin the wheel. Keeping the local police cool. You know when somebody's got you all figured out? Yep, I'm a barbecue freak. Hey, if you're liking what I'm doing here, go ahead and hit that like, hit the subscribe. If you were at the Texas Monthly BBQ Fest in Lockhart, Texas this year, give me some comments. Hope to be there next year, as well as other places where they're cooking great barbecue. And the best place to cook some great barbecue is in your backyard this weekend. And from Barbecue Plus, thanks for watching.